So today we are looking at how to find out this angle's value. So the first step we would do is we would say what two sides are given. And we have the opposite side and the hypotenuse. So you'd say what trig ratio can use the opposite and the hypotenuse? And that would be sine. So we know sine of theta would be 4/5. Now we want to find that angle. So instead, we're going to take the inverse. We'll say, just plug in that into your calculator. And to enter this into your calculator, you're going to click that second button. Then you're going to click the sine button. And then you'll just enter in the 4 divided by 5. And so we can see that we have 53.1 degrees. So that will be our answer, 53.1 degrees. And that is how you're going to solve for the angle. Just remember the order that you need to do this. You look at sides, then you'll determine which ratio to use, so that's either your sine, cosine, or tangent. And then you'll plug it into the calculator, and whatever it spits out, that is your answer for the angle. So that is how you solve for angles. If you have any questions, please reach out.